the foundation and base. Welcome to this comprehensive look at miniature structural engineering. We begin with the foundation, the most critical part of any build. Notice how we use a wooden formwork to define our footprint. We start by laying a base of aggregate stones. This provides drainage and stability. Once the stones are level, we pour our first lift of concrete. Using a trowel, we smooth the surface to ensure a perfectly level subfloor. While the concrete is still wet, we set our first precast element, the ground floor staircase. Precision here is key, as any tilt will affect the entire 3-story vertical alignment, vertical supports, and masonry. Next, we move to structural supports. We're using a post and beam method. Observe the placement of the 4 corner columns. We use vertical wooden molds to cast these pillars in place. This mimics real-world, reinforced concrete construction, providing the skeleton that will carry the weight of the upper floors. Now, we begin the masonry work. Using miniature fired clay bricks and a gray cement mortar, we build the perimeter walls. Notice the running bond pattern. This ensures structural integrity. As we lay each course, we carefully leave voids for the floor-to-ceiling windows and the main entrance. This stage requires patience. Keeping your mortar joints consistent is what gives the miniature its realistic scale. Elevating to the 2nd and 3rd floors. With the ground floor cured, we repeat our flooring process for the 2nd level. We bridge the columns with a new horizontal slab, creating a cantilevered section that forms the balcony. Notice how the 2nd staircase is aligned directly above the 1st to maximize interior space. As we reach the 3rd story, this terrace design is a hallmark of modern contemporary architecture, blending the indoors with the outdoors. Again, we maintain our window headers to ensure the openings are clean and square. Finishing and aesthetics. Now that the structure is topped out, we transition from construction to finishing. We apply a thin layer of white plaster across the brickwork. In modern design, clean lines and monochromatic palettes are essential. The white finish reflects light and emphasizes the geometric shapes of the building. To create contrast, we hand paint the window sills and door frames in a deep charcoal gray. This framing technique draws the eye to the openings. Finally, we install the custom-fitted wooden doors. These organic textures provide a warm contrast to the cool, white concrete walls. The final reveal. As we remove the last of the scaffolding and place our scale model car in the driveway, you can see the result. A perfectly proportioned 3-story contemporary home. From the foundation stones to the final coat of paint, every step mirrors the reality of modern construction. Thank you for joining me on this build. If you found this build inspiring, hit the like button and subscribe for more architectural deep dives.